Before you spend thousands upgrading your bike, watch this. First, the smartest bike gadgets today don't just add features, they completely transform how you ride. Next-level safety, clever gear, and upgrades built for real cyclists. You're watching Nextcart Reviews. Subscribe for more awesome gadgets every week and find every link waiting in the description below. Your bike bag just got a serious upgrade. Built-in Bluetooth speaker, colorful LED lights, 6L of waterproof storage for your phone, tools, and snacks. Connect a power bank and turn every single ride into a real experience. A flat tire can end your ride in seconds unless this is already in your backpack. The GIO Miniike pump packs a telescopic barrel that pushes more air with significantly less effort, plus a secure metal valve lock that never leaks mid-pump. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, delivers up to 80 psi, and the all-metal CNC body is genuinely built to last every ride. The most dangerous thing on a bike is what you cannot see coming from behind. This 360 degrees adjustable helmet mirror gives you a constant clear rear view without ever taking your eyes off the road ahead. Completely stable at high speeds, rotates precisely where you need it, folds away cleanly when done, and fits almost any bike or e-bike helmet. One tiny upgrade that makes every single ride significantly safer. What if the back of your helmet could actually communicate directly with every driver behind you? This smart helmet light does exactly that in the most attention-grabbing way possible. A full-color LED display shows custom animations, emojis, or personalized text messages programmed straight from your phone in seconds. The built-in brake sensor automatically flashes the moment you begin slowing down, giving drivers behind you critical advance warning before anything dangerous happens. USB rechargeable and completely splash-resistant construction handles real-world riding conditions without any issues. Mounts onto virtually any helmet in minutes, making every single night ride dramatically safer, smarter, and genuinely impossible for any driver to ignore. Hand signals are dangerously easy for drivers to miss, especially at night or in heavy traffic. This smart bike light lets you activate bright left and right turn signals instantly with a wireless handlebar remote, complete with an alert sound that genuinely grabs attention before every turn. 5 intelligent lighting modes, USB charging, full waterproof protection, and flexible mounting options work on your bike, helmet, or backpack simultaneously. One simple upgrade that makes every single turn dramatically safer for everyone around you. Would this actually stop a determined bike thief? That is exactly what this lock was built to prove. The Corki U-Lock packs a massive 17mm hardened steel shackle with a 5 feet steel cable that secures both wheels and the frame simultaneously. A soft silicone cover protects your paint from scratches throughout daily use. Quick mount bracket and 2 backup keys included. Strong enough to fight theft, light enough to carry every ride. This bike tail light is genuinely smarter than most people realize when they first see it. The dark beam automatically intensifies its brightness, the precise moment you begin braking, giving every driver behind you critical advance warning before you actually slow down significantly. Intelligent ambient light detection activates the light automatically the moment conditions get dark enough to need it without any manual input required from you whatsoever. When you stop and step away, it enters sleep mode independently to preserve every last bit of battery life for when you actually need it next. 5 ultra-bright lighting modes cover every possible riding situation from busy urban commutes to remote trail riding after sunset. USB-C charging keeps it topped up quickly between rides, and the fully waterproof construction handles heavy rain, puddles, and everything unpredictable weather throws at you without missing a single flat. Most bike helmets are designed to protect you after the crash has already happened. This one is built to help prevent the worst outcome before it ever occurs. The Favoto MTB helmet combines a dual-shell impact design with thick EPS foam that absorbs and distributes force far more effectively than standard single-shell construction. A one-hand magnetic buckle operates effortlessly, even while wearing full finger gloves on cold morning ride. A built-in integrated strap keeps your sunglasses locked securely in place throughout every descent and technical section. Weighing just 335 grams, it stays genuinely lightweight, without making any compromises on actual protection where it matters most. Whether you're commuting daily or pushing hard on challenging trails, this is protection you will actually want to wear every single time. Most bike lights only protect you from one direction and leave every other angle completely exposed to oncoming danger. This one covers you from every direction simultaneously. A powerful 1,200 lumen beam combined with a sweeping 270-degree wide-angle design makes you dramatically more visible at busy intersections, blind corners, and on the darkest, unlit roads you encounter. Drivers spot you from angles that standard forward-facing lights simply cannot cover, no matter how bright they are. 8 intelligent lighting modes adapt to every riding situation, from bright daylight commutes to pitch-black trail riding after sunset. USB-C charging and IP65 waterproof protection handle daily use without any maintenance concerns. Battery life stretches comfortably across multiple rides before needing any attention whatsoever. A flat tire or a loose bolt miles from home with no tools available is every cyclist's worst nightmare. And it always seems to happen at the worst possible moment. The Emmer Bike Repair Kit makes sure that situation never leaves you stranded on the side of the road again. A mini pump, precision, ratchet wrench, 10 interchangeable bits, tire levers, and everything else you could possibly need, all packed into one incredibly lightweight pouch, weighing under 200 grams total. Compact enough to disappear into any saddlebag or jersey pocket without adding any noticeable bulk to your setup whatsoever. From surprise punctures to unexpected mechanical issues, this complete kit gets you confidently back on the road in minutes rather than waiting helplessly for outside assistance. Most bike tail lights do one job and stop there. This one goes several steps further in ways that genuinely matter for every rider. Meet the 9-leaf Smart Tail Light, a rear light that automatically intensifies the moment you begin braking, giving drivers behind you clear advance warning before you slow down. Ambient light detection switches it on automatically the instant riding conditions get dark enough without requiring any manual input from you at any point. But the feature that truly sets it apart is the built-in 113 decibel anti-theft alarm with dedicated remote control that actively protects your bike whenever you step away. USB-C charging keeps it consistently powered between rides, and IP65 weather resistance handles everything from light drizzle to heavy downpours without hesitation. Months of battery life between charges, and one of the smartest overall bike upgrades available on Amazon right now at any price point. And that wraps up today's bike gadget lineup on Nextcart Reviews. Which one would you actually put on your ride right now? Drop it in the comments because I read every single response personally. Hit like and subscribe so you never miss the next smart gadget drop. Find every product link waiting directly in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.